Are you tired of receiving the same old, boring notifications on your phone? Would you like to make a change but aren't sure how? How would you react if I told you that you can receive a lot of notifications in this video? Not just play notifications, you can also get payment notifications. Here I will display this recent money-generating approach where you can make over $50 in only a few clicks. I can tell you that this strategy is completely legal, extremely effective, and most importantly, 100% free. Today, I'm going to show you some new apps which you'll understand and know all about in this video. It only takes a single click to download it, an additional click to log in, and you're on your way to making a lot of cash online. And wherever you are on this planet, whether it's in the west or the east of the world, you can use this method. As a result, this is entirely open to anyone. Having access to these resources is an incredible method to generate online income, and I'll show you exactly how you can do this yourself. All you have to do is stick with me to the finish and not move further in the video in order to not miss any part of critical information so you can start to make a lot of money online quickly and completely for free. But first, I want to welcome you to Cashflow Worldwide, where we show you the many ways you can make money online in the most straightforward way possible. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel and that you've activated the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime we post new content for you to teach you how to generate money online and get started the right way. Additionally, if you could please click on the thumbs up, it would be much appreciated. If there are any issues, questions, or comments you may have, please don't hesitate to post your comment under this video. Let's return back to the video now. I'd like you to go to instagc.com and you can download this on your phone and start earning money as quickly as possible. This program is accessible on all phone devices, so you may download it on any kind of phone you have. It makes no difference if it's on iOS or Android, it will operate flawlessly in any case. If you have any concerns at all that's bothering you, even if it's something super small, such as skepticism about the legitimacy or completeness of this app, please check out the official Facebook page of this app and read hundreds of evaluations posted by many people all around the world. Also, a very important thing to know is that you may view a large number of payment proofs that have been provided to users all around the world, demonstrating that this technique is completely authentic. Also, a very important thing to know is that you may view a large number of payment proofs that have been provided to users all around the world, demonstrating that this technique is completely authentic. As evidenced in front of you, this individual has made this much money, in addition to someone else here, and another here, and so on. What's even better is you may collect the money you earned using a variety of payment options, including PayPal, bank transfer, or any alternative payment method that can work and is accessible with this program. You can visit their Facebook page to fill in any gaps in your knowledge and relieve your worries. Okay, let's get back to the site now. As a result, InstaGC is a blend of two concepts, immediate and GC, which stands for gift card. You can get free gift cards for any online activity you undertake, such as answering surveys, viewing movies, shopping online, or exploring the web if you use this name. Among these numerous approaches, I favor the one that allows me to simply and lazily access the link, which is viewing videos. Watching these videos is a great way to make money online since your only goal is to watch the video, put your gadget down, and return to your normal routine, and perhaps even accomplish something enjoyable. However, all of these ways are so simple, allowing you to complete them with one hand, such as scouring the internet for surveys. But allow me to offer you a suggestion. To boost your revenue, you must put in as much time allocation by performing all of the strategies all at once. You're able to watch a video on your device, then go back to pursuing the other techniques at the same time. And since that is something I've only mentioned here, try making the most of it. Simply go check out their social media profile, or search for them on Google to sign up for InstaGC. The following step is quite self-explanatory. All you have to do is complete a sign-up form and register for an account by entering some personal information. Now I'll show you the second site. It's known as App Karma. Once again, you may use any device you have. This works for iOS and Android-based devices, making App Karma yet another simple and free option to generate online income. However, you will have a good time and play several games on this website. Then you'll be able to make money via PayPal or gift cards. So, if you'd like to join in on the fun, simply click the button and you'll receive 300 points right away. Also, keep in mind that each 100 points is worth $1. So, if you earn 300 points, you'll then receive $3 with the least amount of work. There's another method to get money with this app, and that's through a referral program where you recruit other people to join you. Simply copy your invite link and send it along with your referral code to the most amount of people possible. Then, If that individual joins App Karma successfully, you will receive a whopping 30% commission reflected off the revenue they've guaranteed. Then, if that individual joins App Karma successfully, you will receive a whopping 30% commission reflected off the revenue they've generated. Let's have a look at an example. So assume that if that individual earns $100, you'll receive 30% of that, or $30. Pretty simple, right? You are able to make money without having to do anything difficult, time-consuming, or challenging. Now you can explore the app. With a quick introduction, make sure you sign up each and every day to receive daily incentives. Also, every time a task is completed successfully, you will earn a variety of badges that will support the ongoing growth of your account by allowing you to level up. Because the level of your rewards grows as you earn an increasing amount of badges, you can make more money. Now, how convenient is that? Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video. Let's return to the content now. So, are you still keeping up with me? Because next, I want to explain the third app called Cashkick right now. Cashkick, like the other apps, allows you to choose from a variety of payment ways to fit your needs. You can make a claim using a variety of methods, including PayPal and bank transfer. Basically, Cashkick believes that money is the best thing you can earn, and I think we can all agree with that. So you may earn money by taking surveys, finding excellent deals, watching movies, and exploring the web using this app. When you think through it, these techniques are basically ordinary tasks that we all do every single day. We all view videos when we have spare time, so why not make some money from it? Okay, it's time to complete the registration process. You only need to enter your email address and password. Then you'll click right here on this purple button saying Get Started Immediately to finish your registration, and you'll be ready to start making money. The journey does not stop, however, finish here because next I'm going to show you the fourth app. SuperPay, or superpay.me, is the name of the website. SuperPay, unlike the previous applications, InstaGC and Cashkick, solely provides people the loan money making way when completing any surveys. However, with this reputation in hand, you will not be disappointed in the slightest. With more than $4 million paid to users all over the world and a solid 2,925 Trustpilot reviews, SuperPay is undeniably effective as a way to earn online income. There are also several extremely useful features, such as a quick payment turnaround of only 24 hours, quite a low cash out threshold, the ability to work from home, various promo codes, contests to earn money, a large number of surveys that can pay you, and a very simple 20-cent bonus that occurs when you sign up. Last but not least, there will be a referral program which will undoubtedly be the greatest of the group. Additionally, SuperPay is highly handy with other payments like PayPal, Skrill, Amazon, and others you can find right here on their website that you may pick from to claim your money. If you're feeling particularly skeptical, you might wonder if this does indeed have truth to it. You have nothing to be concerned about. SuperPay is truly quite transparent, as you can see hundreds of payment proofs posted by many thousands of customers all around the world in this part. As I previously stated, this app is in excellent operating order, having received a large $4 million payment. Simply click this button that says Join for You today, and you'll be taken to this page which allows you to register for free. Simply enter some personal information like your name, email address, as well as some other details, and you'll be halfway done. All you need to do now is provide your payment info in order for them to figure out how to make a payment to you. In order to agree to the terms and conditions, as well as the privacy policy, check these boxes. Then, go to the box where it says I'm not a robot and click on it, and boom! You now have a free SuperPay account that's active. Everything is incredibly simple, and you're able to repeat the process over and over again for as long as you want. You can also use the most amount of apps as possible to maximize your earning potential. There is absolutely no limit for you. That's all there is to it. This has been the case with Cashflow all around the world. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel and that the notification bell is turned on. I'll see you in the next upcoming video if you hit the like button.